Welcome back to Rockin Freelance. Today, I'm gonna give you 3 simple things that you can do to get more freelance work without going to these freelance websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or any of those other marketplaces. Number 1, ask your existing or previous clients if they have any additional projects that you can help them with. You never know. A lot of times people are busy and they have a lot of things going on and they either forget or they've got so many other things to manage they just haven't gotten to you on the list yet as far as asking for a quote. So most of the time when I've found I reach out to old clients, they actually thank me for asking if I can help with anything. Sometimes they have work for me, sometimes they don't. That leads me to number 2. Ask those clients for referrals, whether they have work for you or not. A lot of times they have other business colleagues, friends, or other people that actually could utilize your services as well. And if you ask politely, they might even make an introduction for you. So you get a warm intro to a new client, and that'll let you hit the ground running a lot faster than trying to build a relationship with somebody new all on your own. Number 3, this one is a little bit more thoughtful, and it's not necessarily something that's going to get you work right away, but it'll help you build a brand and really build your freelance career over the long run. And that is to sit back and go over your list of previous clients. Look at the ones that have been the most enjoyable for you to work with, the most profitable, and try and find some common threads there. Are they in a certain industry? Do they do a certain type of service? What was it about that engagement that was interesting, profitable, or just something you enjoyed doing? And then take what you've reflected on and what you've learned from that reflection time and see if you can find other ways to get in touch with similar clients. You could find yourself providing your services to a specific industry, or maybe it's a business at a certain life cycle or a certain stage. So if they're under 5 employees or they're at a certain point where they're about to grow or they're just launching a new product, find those common threads. And then once you find those common threads, you can look at other places those people hang out. A lot of freelancers tend to think about ways they can get immediate work for them. And so that leads to going right to the freelance websites and things like that, instead of putting yourself in the mindset of your client or your ideal customer and figure out where they hang out and go meet your ideal client or customer where they hang out. I guarantee that's gonna get you a whole lot more business and it's gonna be a whole lot more profitable. So I hope that helps. If it did, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep rocking it.